What is up, my dudes? We are in Miami, Florida. We've been here for, this is the 6th week already, but we've been quarantined in a hotel. This is the first time we got out. So, GoPro on skateboard, we're gonna get you some footage. It's gonna be fun. I don't know what else. Enjoy. Hopefully it's not terrible. So we're here in Miami. It's been a rough 5 weeks, I'm not gonna lie. A lot of fun, but a lot of work. Cut to the clip. See what I'm saying? It's been crazy. We're in South Beach now. We're gonna ride around on our skateboards. We're gonna jump in the water. It's gonna be sick. Thank you very much. South Beach. Really bad. It's water.
After playing in the water for a while, it was time to grab some dinner at one of my Miami favorites, Coyo Tacos. It was so good to get out, but this is just the beginning. Stay tuned, lots of crazy fun ahead. Please like and subscribe, or not, whatever. Thanks for watching.